Good morning, everyone. Oh, wait. It's not morning for me. It's 11 p.m. I just woke up from a nap.
Alex, you slept again? In the afternoon?
Yes, Emma. My morning routine starts at night.
That is not a routine. That is chaos.
Chaos? What is chaos?
Chaos means no order. Everything is messy.
Yes, my mornings are chaos.
Well, today we fix that. Welcome back to Everyday English Podcast. Today's topic is morning routine.
A routine is something you do every day. Same time, same order.
Exactly, Alex. Good job. Today, you will learn new words about mornings. You will also learn how to talk about daily habits in English.
And don't worry, everything is simple today.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please subscribe.
Emma, what time do you wake up every day?
I wake up at 6 a.m. every single day.
6. That is too early.
Not for me. I like mornings.
I wake up at 6 a.m. too, but only on Sundays.
Ha! Alex, that's the wrong day.
What do you do first, Emma, after you wake up?
First, I get out of bed. Then, I open the window.
Why do you open the window?
Fresh air. It wakes up my brain.
Interesting. I just check my phone.
Ha! Many people do that. But fresh air is better for your mind.
Okay. I will try tomorrow.
Good. Now tell me, what do you do next?
I brush my teeth. Then I wash my face.
Perfect. That's a normal morning habit.
What about breakfast? Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day. Breakfast gives me energy.
I usually skip breakfast.
Skip means you don't do it.
Right. I skip breakfast and drink coffee only.
That's not healthy, Alex.
I know. Old habits are hard to change.
Let's talk about some useful words now.
Okay. What's the first word?
The first word is routine. You already know this one.
Yes. A routine is something we do every day, same way.
Perfect example, Alex. Next word, wake up.
Wake up. It means to stop sleeping?
Exactly. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m.
I wake up at 10 a.m. Haha.
Next word, get ready.
What does that mean?
It means you prepare yourself. Shower, clothes, everything. For example, I get ready for work in 30 minutes.
I get ready for work in 2 hours.
2 hours? Alex, that's too long.
I like to take my time.
Next word, brush your teeth.
I know this one. Brush your teeth means clean your teeth.
Yes, very good. Next word, have breakfast.
We already talked about this. I skip it.
Yes, but remember, have breakfast means eat morning food. Next word, get dressed.
Get dressed. Put on your clothes?
Exactly. For example, I get dressed after my shower.
I get dressed before my shower. Sometimes.
Alex, that doesn't make sense.
Haha, just testing you, Emma.
Next word, commute.
Commute? I don't know this word.
Commute means traveling to work or school. For example, my commute takes 20 minutes.
My commute is 5 minutes. I work from home.
Lucky you. Next word, morning person.
A morning person is someone who likes mornings?
Yes, exactly. I am a morning person.
I am a night person.
We are opposite. Last word for now, energy.
Energy means power, strength to do things.
Perfect. Breakfast gives you energy for the day.
I get energy from coffee. Haha.
Alex, listen carefully. I wake up at 6 a.m. I open the window. I brush my teeth.
Emma, wait. I noticed something.
What did you notice?
You always say, I wake up, I open, I brush. Not I waking or I woke.
Great observation, Alex. This is present simple. We use it for daily habits.
Present simple. For things we do every day?
Exactly. Like, I eat breakfast every morning.
I sleep until noon every day. Haha.
That's correct grammar, Alex, even if it's a bad habit.
So, she wakes up early. He drinks coffee.
Yes, with he or she, we add s.
Wakes. Drinks. Brushes.
Perfect. You got it fast.
This is easier than I thought.
Because we are not studying grammar, we are just talking.
I like this way better.
Me too. Let's continue our conversation. Now, let's practice together. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7.
I open the window.
I open the window.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I wash my face.
I have breakfast.
I have breakfast.
I drink coffee.
I drink coffee.
I get dressed.
I get dressed.
I check my phone.
I check my phone.
I leave the house.
I leave the house.
My commute takes 10 minutes.
My commute takes 10 minutes.
I arrive at work.
I arrive at work.
I feel energetic.
I feel energetic.
I am a morning person.
I am a morning person.
Excellent work, everyone. You did great.
That felt easy.
Because you already know these words now, let's review today's lesson quickly. We learned routine, wake up, get ready, brush your teeth.
Have breakfast. Get dressed. Commute. Morning person. Energy.
Perfect memory, Alex. We also learned present simple for daily habits.
I wake up. She wakes up. He drinks coffee.
Exactly right. Remember, present simple is for things we do regularly.
Every day, every morning, every week.
Great summary. Now, a small message for you, our viewer. Learning English takes time. Be patient with yourself.
I still make mistakes every day.
And that's okay. Mistakes help you learn.
Nobody speaks perfectly at the start.
Practice a little every day. Even 5 minutes helps.
Watch this video again. Repeat the sentences.
Your English will improve step by step.
Don't give up. You are doing great already.
We believe in you. That's all for today's episode.
We talked about morning routines in English.
Now we have a question for you.
What time do you usually wake up?
Write your answer in the comments below.
We love reading your comments.
Thank you so much for watching today.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone. Have a great day.
Bye-bye.